Timber Ridge Wagon is a perfect utility wagon cart for garden, beach, and shopping. It is a must-have when you go camping, go to the beach or garden, or just move things. 4 Oversized large wheels, 360 position rotation of front wheels, and fixed back wheels make this wagon more stable on most terrains. It opens and folds up in seconds, quick and easy. It supports up to 100 pounds to 150 pounds weight capacity. It's enough to take a large number of daily items. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large capacity. Unfolded size of this collapsible wagon is 35.5 length by 18.4 width x 12 height inches and 4.5 feet. 3 Large storage space. The semi-closed design of the utility wagon can hold items of different shapes. No installation makes this camping wagon convenient to use. Number 2. Flexible wheels and adjustable handle. The collapsible cart equipped with 4 large-sized wheels with a diameter of 8 inches. The 2 front wheels of this camping cart can rotate 360 degrees, easy to turn around. The retractable handle for easy adjust. Number 3. Accessory design. The folding camping cart equipped with 2 cup holders for drinks when you go camping. The side storage bag of this camping wagon to keep belongings organized. The pad on the bottom of this shopping wagon is better for placing items. Number 4. Small folding size. With a compact design, utility wagon only 30 height by 16.5 length by 8.8 width inches after folding. The collapsible wagon can be placed in the trunk when you go out. It is more space-saving and can make your car store more other items. Number 5. Multiple occasions. The sturdy steel frame and fabric make this heavy-duty wagon with a maximum load of 150 pounds. All-terrain utility wagons can be used outdoors, such as camping, beach, laundry room, garden, shopping, and football stadium. Number 6. Heavy-duty and easy transportation. Timber Ridge Wagon is built with durable 600D polyester material and a sturdy steel frame. The heavy-duty frame allows our wagon supports up to 150 pounds on hard surfaces and 110 pounds on sand or beach. 3.3 extra wheel width compare with others makes our wagon more convenient for transportation. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.